These NEKOPA heated gloves use a 7.4-volt system that warms the entire hand quickly, which makes a real difference in harsh winter conditions or for people with cold-sensitive fingers. The heating elements extend across the back of the hand and into each fingertip, offering steady relief for issues like arthritis, Raynaud-related discomfort, and generally poor circulation. I appreciate the simple control button with 3 distinct heat levels and a clear battery indicator because it makes it easy to fine-tune warmth without guessing how much power is left. Touchscreen-capable pads on the thumbs and index fingers work reliably, so you can handle a phone, navigation screen, or other devices without peeling the gloves off in the cold. The gloves feel well thought out for outdoor work and sports, with a grippy silicone palm, reflective accents for visibility, weather-resistant fabric, and adjustable closures that seal out wind and snow. They are also practical to maintain since they come with removable, rechargeable batteries and can be machine washed in the included bag once the power packs are taken out.